The borough was founded by royal charter in 1207 by King John, made up of only 7 streets in the shape of the letter H. Liverpool remained a small settlement until its trade with Ireland and coastal parts of England and Wales was overtaken by trade with Africa and the West Indies, which included the slave trade. In the 19th century, Liverpool rose to global economic importance at the forefront of the Industrial Revolution and built the first intercity railway, the first combustible warehouse system, and a pioneering elevated electrical railway. It was granted city status in 1880.
Life goes on day after day, hearts torn in every way. So ferry cross the Mersey, 'cause this land's the place I love, and here I'll stay. People, they rush everywhere, each with their own secret care. So ferry, cross the Mersey, and always take me there, the place I love. When you walk through a storm, hold your head up high and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of a storm, there's a golden sky and the sweet silver song of a lark. Walk on through the wind, walk on through the rain, for your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. You'll never.
This mural pays tribute to the late Anne Williams, who campaigned for justice after the Hillsborough disaster. Williams lost her son Kevin to the tragedy in Sheffield in 1989, one of 97 fatalities to a dreadful day that has impacted so many lives in the decades since. The mural, painted by artist Paul Curtis, depicts Williams holding a fist aloft in celebration of Hillsborough's independent panel in 2012, which quashed the initial inquest verdict.
You'll never walk